Exercise 5.2, question number 11. Show that the point 11, 2 is the center of the circle passing through the points 1, 2, 3, minus 4 and 5, minus 6. Here we have to show that this 11, 2 is the center of the circle and we have 3 points on the circle. Okay. That is 1, 2, 3, minus 4 and 5, minus 6. These are the 3 points lies on the circle and this 11, 2 is the center of the circle. Okay. In order to prove this, just you look at this here the center it is 11, 2 and a point it is 5, minus 6. What does it mean? From here to this point it is radius, right? And from the center to this point this is also radius. From the center to this point that is also radius. So what we have to prove is, actually we have to prove OA equal to OB equal to OC. If we prove, then it is easily we can prove that this is the center of the circle passing through these points. Okay. To prove that, we have to prove OA equal to OB equal to OC. So we have to prove OA equal to OB equal to OC. First we will find out OA. We know the distance formula. It is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus root of plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. We will take the points. O point it is 11, 2. A point I have taken it as 5, minus 6. Even you can take this as A, B, C. In any order you can take it as your choice only. I have taken in this order. So A point it is 5, minus 6. We will consider x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Substitute the values. Then here minus 8 the whole square. While you square the negative number, you will get only positive number. You add it, we will get 100. Root 100 value it is 10. So OA value it is 10. Same way we have to find out OB. O value it is 11, 2. B value it is 3, minus 4. x1, y1, x2, y2. Same procedure. You just substitute the values in the formula. Simplified, you will get the answer as OB equal to 10. Same way we should find OC. O value 11, 2. C value 1, 2. Then substitute the values x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Here also we are getting the value as 10. That is OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to 10. Since all the three values are equal, so we can say that the point 11, 2 passing through the points 1, 2, 3, minus 4 and 5, minus 6. So as I said, this exercise 5.2 fully we are using the same formula, that is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Already we have done so many problems using this formula. That's why I didn't explain any of it. Just you have to substitute the values so that you will get the answer here.